to Midshipman Alferez, sir. Rule 35. Sound signal in restricted visibility. In or near an area of restricted visibility, whether by day or night, the signals prescribed in this rule shall be used as follows. A power-driven vessel making way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes and one prolonged blast. 2. A power-driven vessel underway the but stop and making the way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes to prolong blast in successions with an interval of about 2 seconds between them. C. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, a vessel constrained by her draught, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, and a vessel engaged in towing or pushing another vessel shall instead of the signal prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule sound of intervals of not more than 2 minutes, three bars in suggestion on a nearly one prolonged followed by two short blasts. And D. A vessel engaged in fishing when at anchor and a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when carrying about her work at anchor shall instead of the signals prescribed in paragraph G of this rule sound the signal prescribed in paragraph C of this rule. A vessel towed or if more than one vessel is towed, the last vessel of the tow, if manned, shall at intervals of not more than 2 minutes sound for blasts in suggestion, namely one prolonged followed by three short blasts. When practicable, the signal shall be made immediately after the signal made by the towing vessels. When a pushing vessels and a vessel being pushed ahead are rigidly connected in a composite unit, they shall be regarded as a power-driving vessels and shall give the signal prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule. G. A vessels at anchor shall at intervals of not more than 1 minute ring the bell rapidly for about 5 seconds in a vessel of 100 meters or more in the length. The bell shall be sounded in the forepart of the vessel, and immediately after the ringing of the bell, the gong shall be sounded rapidly for about 5 seconds in the after part of the vessels. A vessel at anchor may in addition sound three blasts in succession, namely one short, one prolonged, and one short blast, to give warning of her position and of the possibility of collision to an approaching vessel. H. A vessel aground shall give the bell signals and if required, the go signal prescribed in paragraph G of this rule and shall in addition give three separate and distinct strokes on the bell immediately before and after the rapid ringing of the bell. A vessel aground may in addition sound an appropriate whistle signal. If a vessel of less than 12 meters in length shall not be obligated to give the above mentioned signals, but if she does not, shall make some other efficient sound signal at interval of not more than 2 minutes. J. A pilot vessel when engaged on pilotage duty may, in addition to the signals prescribed in paragraph A, B, or G of this rule, sound an intensity signal consisting of four short blasts.